Welcome back to this channel where there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament, 5 a.m. Jamaica time. If you have not yet done so, hit the subscribe button, or if you have already subscribed, check out the videos or like and comment on them. Alright, so this is our fourth reading from John chapter 11. And we'll be reading from verses 45 to 57. My name is Walter Williams. And if you want to learn more about me, check out the description box below.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
So now, none of the Jew them, when they come look for Mary, believe in a Jesus when them see what him do. But some of them go to the Pharisee them and tell them what Jesus do. Then the head priest them and the Pharisee them call one meeting for the leader them. What we do? Them ask. Cause the man here awoke some powerful miracle. If we make him go on same way, everybody ever believe in him. And the Roman ruler them will come and take away God house from we and run away people them from out of the country. They know one of the leader them we named Caiaphas, and where did are the leader for the priest them that year they talk up and say, "You don't know a thing. You don't know say it better for one man dead for the people them than to make the whole country dead off." Now Caiaphas then said that upon him own son. But through him did as the leader for the priest them that year there, him said Jesus would have dead for the Jew people them before it even happened. But not for them one. But for make all of God picnic them where scatter all over the place come together in a one. So from that day there, they make plan with them one another to kill Jesus. Seek of that now, Jesus keep away from the Jew people them who come from Judea. Him left, go a one place near the desert, one town named Ephraim. And him stand there with him follower them. When I didn't near the time for the Jew people them Passover holiday, all heap of them left country and go up at Jerusalem, so them could have get themselves clean and ready for the holiday. Them did I look hard for Jesus, and did I say to them one another, when them did turn up in a God house, why you think? You think say him now come a Passover? No, the head priest them and the Pharisee them, they give out order. So if nobody find out where Jesus did, then we tell them so them can get feel lock him up. A God what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.